In today's video, you will learn how to use star anise to make your hair grow faster. You probably said this before or heard someone complaining that their hair takes too long to grow. So, if you are on the side that wants to learn how to make hair grow faster and healthier, you came to the right place. Did you know there are some natural alternatives to strengthen your hair? Star anise is one of them. Star anise is the favorite ingredient of anyone who loves long hair. This powerful seed promises to boost hair growth while making it shinier and preventing hair loss and oiliness. Cool, right? Did you know that people are looking more and more for natural alternatives for hair and beauty care? Star anise is a must-have ingredient for anyone who wants longer, healthier hair. What's responsible for this is a substance called anethol, which has antimicrobial properties. It oxygenates the hair roots, promoting a deep cleansing of the scalp and stimulating the blood circulation in the area. Isn't it interesting? This is why star anise makes the hair grow so fast. Besides, topical use of star anise is also efficient against oiliness and dandruff. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. You dream of long, full locks? Then write down the ingredients. 3.4 ounces saline solution, 1.7 ounces star anise infusion concentrated, 1 container with lid. How to do it? Make a star anise infusion. For that, boil 4 or 5 star anises in 3.4 ounces of water. Let it boil for 5 minutes, then close with the lid for 10 minutes. Wait for the infusion to cool. After boiling, you will get around 1.7 ounces of highly concentrated tea. Strain and mix with the saline solution, which you learned how to make in the suggested video showing to you. Store in a closed container in your fridge. How to use it? Every other day or 3 times a week, apply a few drops of this star anise tonic on your hair roots. After applying it, gently massage with your fingertips and let the product sit for 2 hours at least. It is better to apply the tonic before sleep, so the ingredients will stay on your hair the whole night. This star anise recipe lasts around 15 days. If you want to, you can double the ingredients and keep the tonic in your fridge to preserve it. It is worth noting that you need to follow the treatment for at least 2 months. This is enough time to see results. Besides making the hair grow faster, it will also lend a glow to make your hair much prettier and soft. And don't forget that care starts from the inside out, which means that having a balanced, healthy diet is essential for natural hair growth. Did you know this recipe already? Have you ever used a natural recipe to make your hair grow? Share your experiences with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.